The Nürburgring Nordschleife is extremely demanding and doesn't forgive any mistakes. If a car is fast here, it is fast anywhere in the world. We have decided to include Manthey products in the equipment range, and we will be driving a GT2 RS with exactly these new equipment parts here on the Nordschleife to show what Manthey has developed to increase the performance of an already extremely powerful high-performance car. That's why we are here again today, to prove exactly that.
Das jetzt zu beweisen.
We have a different suspension in the car. The setup is perfect, especially on a racetrack. The car has not become harder at all, but the support is even better now. The tires work incredibly well on this one lap. The grip level is very close to a slick tire, but the main point for me is the aerodynamics. At 200 kilometers per hour, you have about twice downforce level. This gives me a lot of confidence, makes the car run smoother and more drivable. As always in technology and racing, is there any room for improvement? There are many ideas, many talented engineers, drivers, and a lot of racing and Nürburgring experience. That's exactly what's in this product and in these ideas. And then everything is possible.
Dann geht immer was.
We are super happy and hope the lap time will last for a while. At the end of the day, the package is so good and has an incredibly high level of performance. To have a car like this with a road registration is totally